Hi guys, welcome back. Now, whenever we create any program, at that time sometimes a condition happens that the code we have written, we want to comment it to check it out if it is creating that code is or particular code line is creating the problem. So what we use different kind of commenting method, or also we use this comment method to understand for us like this code do what. So we write it into the comment. What exactly these comments do? Whenever the compiler is executing the program, at that time it does not read the comment. So it only reads the particular program of the code which is not commented. So there are various methods in Java. With the help of that, you can comment your code and you can write some readable information. For example, if you're working in a company and at the time you have a condition, you are working as a team. So when you write the code, your code can be used by the another team member also. So you have to write whatever that particular piece of code is doing. In that kind of scenario, you have to use this comment statement. So if you comment that particular block of code, so that another developer or another team of your member of yours will be easily understand what that block of code is doing. So these comments are actually very helpful for reading and understanding. So there are various comment methods in Java which can be utilized here. Like there is a single line comment, multi-line comment and documentation. So we will see what kind of comments we are going to use it here. So let's see to go back to our previous program. Now what we will do in a previous video, you have seen that we are using this switch case statement. So in case we don't want this line to be printed, okay, so we will see what we will do. We will do just simply 2 forward slash. So when you will do this forward slash, what will happen, even the condition is being satisfied, but because that particular section is being commented, it will not execute. Another method I will show it to you. For example, you want to tell what is this? This is example of single line comment. Now I have commented this particular line. So if the code is being satisfied, this code will execute, this particular line will execute, not this particular line, okay, even it is coming before that. So let's see that example. What we will do is exactly we are going to just run it. Now you can see A is 5, even this line is there, but still it does execute. So that's what is called the single line comment. Now after the single line comment, we have a multi-line comment, means we can put it into multi-lines. So what we will do, we will remove this, and how we are going to write the multi-line comments? Forward slash asterisk and then see automatically close. So this code is example of multi-line comments. You can go here in Java. Single line comment you have to write into single line. If you go to the second line, for example, if I show it to you here, like my comment is, if I will go here and write, see it become code. So single line comment works only with the single line, but with the multi-line you can write various kind of things. Comments in Java are used for, like this you can do have a multi-line comment. After this there is a documentation kind of comments where we write it just as a document. So if I give you more example, we can go ahead and we can simply start it like this, and see it's become a document. See automatically the color changes. That's the benefit of using an IDE for developing your Java programs. So comments are used for making other developers to understand the code written by the another developer. Like this, there is a multi. It will be a documentation of that. So you can write a long distance of document. Like sometimes if you maybe see the code of different scenarios, they like write a lot of documents. under this license, under that license, and so many things are there, so that it's become a complete statement. But these comments never being executed by the compiler. So that is the benefit of it. So these comments are very helpful while programming. You should be having a practice of writing these comments for you to remember. When there's a 8 to 10 line code, you can remember. When there is 1,000 line of code, it's not easy to remember which line is doing what. So it's always good to use the comments. So that's all in the comments. See you guys in another video.